Welcome, guys. Welcome to DS from the Lifestyle Vlog. Guys, today, guys, we're in the kitchen one more time again, guys. And today, guys, we're gonna be preparing some bizarre meat, guys. Something that I never prepared before in this kitchen. I have had it before, but I never prepared it before. So today, guys, we have actually some pig feet here, that we're gonna be actually brown stewing, right? And over here, guys, we have the actually pig nose, as you guys can see, right? What it look like, right? Just the nose of the pig. If you guys can see right there, and over here we have some pig ears. So yeah, so we're gonna get all of this finished cut up. We're gonna put some bell pepper, all of my ingredients them here that I'm gonna be actually putting on it. And I will show you guys when I get everything cut up and actually ready to put in the pressure pot and get it going, guys. So just remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to DS from the Lifestyle Vlog, and tell a friend. If you tell a friend that we're doing great over here, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here guys have it. So yes, so we had seasoned it up, get it all cut up and season up, guys. So yes, so what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna actually get the pressure pot on, and I'm gonna pressure it for a little bit just to speed up the process. And when it close to finish, we have some original dry lima bean or butter bean, whatever they want to call them. So we're gonna put over it after it's almost finished cooked, guys. So yeah, it's gonna taste good, trust me. And we have a coconut milk here where we're gonna actually make some reggae rice, guys. Yeah, some white rice with some mixed vegetable and coconut milk. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be eating with this bizarre meat here. Or some people won't eat it, but some will. But that's the way how it is. I'm gonna um have a feast on this, put it that way, guys. So yeah, man. So yeah, all right, guys, just stick and stay. And remember, guys, to watch the video till the end to see the presentation. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yes, guys. So this is actually what the reggae rice actually look like, guys. This is what the reggae rice look like here. Yeah. So with some mixed vegetable and the white rice there, put in some scallion and thyme with the coconut milk, you know. Tip a little bit of Maggi in there with a little bit of salt, piece of butter, So yeah, so that's what it look like coming along. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. And then we have the rest of the meat over here in the pressure pot here. So yeah, so let's stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you step by step what we're doing, as we go along. All right, guys. Yes, guys. See it here now. This is it. So I'm gonna take it out of the pressure pot, guys, and put it in the Dutch pot here now, and put my natural season them in a head now, and I wait for it to simmer down. Then I go add in my lima bean afterwards when it almost done, guys. So yes, so one pot of pepper pig, guys. Yeah, man, one whole pot of pepper pig. The ears, see the ears them, the guys. We have the foot. Yeah, man, and the nose is in here somewhere. But I'll cut up in small pieces. So yeah, let's wait until it simmer down and cook down a little bit more. Me try a little piece of it, but yeah, man, smelling good too. And with this dish, guys, you gotta put a lot of pepper in it. A lot of scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah. And then on the other side here, so we have the reggae rice where we actually It's coming along this basically, you know, soaking down also too. Have it on low. So yeah, man. So that is it, people. That is it, you know. So just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, you know. Yes, guys. Check in back. So yes, guys, see it. This is actually what it actually coming and looking like right now. We can tell the gravy is getting thickened up. I already put the lima bean in there already. So I'm just gonna let it go down a little bit more. I don't want it to dry down too much because I need the gravy, you know, need the gravy in there. So yeah, man, this is what I look like, guys. Coming on very, very good. All right, guys. So I'm gonna make it simmer down for another 10 more minutes or so. And then what I'm gonna do, guys, and I'm gonna, you know, show you guys the presentation and what it look like. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yes, guys, so this is the presentation right here, guys. This is the presentation right here. So you can see the feet, you know, and we got some of the ears in here. And I have one of the nose over here, guys. See me I say, yeah, I will decorate. I leave it. I didn't cut it apart, so I just cooked it just like that, you know. And I'm gonna dip into it now, guys, and let you know actually what it tastes like. Yeah. So first, what we're gonna do, guys, I am actually gonna try a piece of the ears first. Guys, no joke. You know, the pig ears are a little bit of a grizzle into it. That little white piece that you see there. Yeah. But me I tell you guys, the skin, everything nice and tender. You know, well seasoned. Well pepper too, guys. You know, that scotch bonnet pepper I put in there. So yeah, really good. Oh, this, guys, right here is the moment of truth right here. Right? As you guys can see, this is the nose of the pig. Right? This is the nose right here, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna guys, may I tell you, oh my god. So good, guys, so good. Yeah. A little bit of the rice. Can taste the natural coconut milk. Yeah, man, in it, you know. Let a piece of the feet here and show you guys. You guys can tell. Yeah, man. This piece here, guys, a piece of the hoof of the pig or the toe, you know, of the pig. It's a little small piece right here. The small toe there on the pig. So yeah. Nice and tender, guys. Man, I'm in heaven. Yes, guys. Well seasoned, guys. Well tastes good. So guys, just remember to like, share, and subscribe and comment. Today's from the lifestyle vlog. Tell a friend, if you tell a friend that we're doing great over here, guys. Trust me, guys, my nose are run. I hot a pepper. But nonetheless, we're gonna finish digging into this, you know, and see what's gonna happen later on if I can go for a second round. But we'll see where this one take me. All right, guys. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in another one.